Hey guys, Melissa here from ChaCha&Chicky Canada.
Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous hot pink macrame keychain. We now have 9 brilliant macrame colors available in our shop, along with new beginner kits and accessories to enhance your crafting experience. And now, for a limited time, get your free roll of macrame cord in any color of your choice with the purchase of a Deluxe Macrame Kit. Don't forget to download our free ebook under the free downloads tab on our website.
Before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to support our Canadian family-owned business. If you aren't already, give us a follow on Instagram to stay up to date with all of our contests and giveaways. And everything that you need to get started you can find right here at our website at ChaCha&Chicky.com, and we ship within Canada in 1 to 3 business days. Thank you so much for supporting our Canadian family-owned business. Let's get started.
Take your hot pink Grenache Rosé macrame cord and cut 4 pieces 60 inches long. Then fold them in half so that the ends are lined up and even. Now you're going to make a lark's head knot with all 4 strands. Now you have 8 strands of cord 30 inches long. Section off the 8 cords into 2 sections of 4. Take the middle cord, we will call this cord number 4. This will be your traveling cord. The traveling cord lays diagonal across the other cords, while cord number 3 makes 2 half hitch knots around the traveling cord. Now the traveling cord remains the same and crosses over cord number 2. Now cord number 2 does 2 half hitch knots around the traveling cord. Now we will do the same thing on the other side. Cord number 5 will be your traveling cord. Place your traveling cord over top of cord number 6 and do 2 half hitch knots. Now cross the middle right cord over top of the middle left cord and make 2 half hitch knots. Continue with 2 half hitch knots on the next 2 cords on the left hand side of your project. Now divide your cords. Again, we will do 2 half hitch knots . Now take the second outermost cord on your left hand side. This is your new traveling cord. Now the end cord on the left-hand side will be your traveling cord. Take the traveling cord and cross it over the cord to its right and make 3 half hitch knots, followed by 2 half hitch knots on the next cord. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the right hand side to complete the diamond shape. To combine the diamond shape in the middle, take the 2 middle cords, left over right, and make 2 half hitch knots. Continue making 2 half hitch knots per cord, making your way to the end of the right hand side of your project. Divide the cords in half again with 4 on each side. We are now going to do this pattern one more full time through. Organize your cords here and pick up cords number 2 and 3. And do the same thing on the right hand side. Now you're ready to tie off your project. Cut one more cord about 2 feet long. We are going to be making a loop knot here. With the short tail of the cord sticking up, make a small loop at the bottom. You'll have a long tail now. Wrap the long tail around all of the cords from the top down about 5 to 7 times, making sure to leave the short tail still sticking up at the top. Now take the long tail and thread it through the loop at the bottom. Now hang on to the long tail firmly and pull the short tail at the top until the loop is securely hidden behind all of the knots that you just created. Once the loop is hidden, trim your ends and even out the bottom cords. You are finished. It looks so good. Thanks so much for making macrame with me today. See you next time. Make sure to check out all of our other macrame videos at the link in the description. Happy crafting!